If you want to create not just an interactive but an emotionally engaging learning environment, then our Training Delivery Part B is for you. Training Delivery Part A explored the what we need to do and how we do it in the training room. Part B looks at why our behaviours and reactions can have an influence on the learner's individual engagement levels. During the workshop, we'll consider the emotional context of the training environment, how our learners might be feeling, putting ourselves in their shoes and reflecting on how our behaviours might affect the learners' engagement levels themselves. Through discussion and grouping activities, we will take a look at the 6 key drivers of learner engagement. This will allow us to consider where our learners might sit on the engagement ladder, how they might be there and why they might be there, and what we can do to influence them to move up the levels. At the heart of the workshop are the choice principles, uniquely designed to support trainers in creating a more emotionally engaging learning climate. You will have the opportunity to reflect on how well your current practice aligns to these. During this interactive workshop, you'll have lots of opportunities to share experiences and ideas with your colleagues. So we hope to see you soon and find out the answer to one simple question. Will you choose to be a trainer of choice?